Hey, this is Ken from Coffee Crafters, and we wanted to do a quick video to show you how to change the dosing blocks in the version 2 of the fill and seal. It comes with a set of 5 dosing blocks. These are the most common dosing block sizes from iFill. And one of the things that you'll see is every one of the dosing blocks has the cubic inches of volume right here, and they go from 2.25 cubic inches to 2.71. When you get your fill and seal, it'll come with a 2.5 cubic inch block installed, which is the most common one for people to use, and it's the one that came in the original fill and seal. So I'm going to show you how to change this real fast. It's real easy, but there's a couple things you want to be aware of, or you'll have a hard time getting it to operate right. So there's a pin that goes through the block that's installed, and this keeps the block from coming out. And there's a little lock ring on here, and we just take off that lock ring, pull this pin out, and then the block will come out. So the new fill and seal has an adjustable top cap here that comes down, and when you put the new block in, you have to put it down so it comes in contact with the top of the block but still moves freely. There are 5 lock nuts on here. There's 1 in the back, 2 on each side, and all we have to do is loosen those up. Don't want to take them off, just loosen them up. And when we do that, we should be able to get this off here. There we go, pulled that off. So we want to put in a new block. We pick the volume that we want. And again, the volume is marked right on the front here. Put the new block in, put this back on. Now what we want to do is we want to move that block down so it comes in contact, but it moves freely all the way back because we don't want it to stick anywhere. So I'll get it just like that. And the main thing when you put a new block in, do not over tighten these screws. If you over tighten these screws, it's going to warp this head on the top, and it will not allow the block to move freely. So, and it's really easy to do. The first time I put in a new block, I ran directly into Chris and told him that it wasn't working right. And he explained to me that I had to be really careful tightening those blocks up. So then we put the rod back through when we have it tight, and now it won't come out. So there. But again, the main thing is, and if you tighten it up and it's not going free, just loosen it up again, and you move it back and forth until it's moving really easy, and just tighten it up a little bit, because all we're trying to do is get it tight enough so this thing won't come off. There, that's perfect. All right. We can put our block back on. Now, everybody with the version 1 is going to ask us if they can update theirs, and the answer is yes. The new blocks all look like this. They're all printed. So, but what we have to do to fix that, we can't just replace this top piece. We have to replace this whole assembly, because the whole thing was designed to be able to move up and down and accommodate these 5 different blocks. If you have one of the original ones with the stainless steel square base hopper, just let us know and we can put that on for you, so your original hopper goes right back on there. If you have the round hopper like this, it'll come already to accommodate the round hopper, but we do have to know that or we'll send you the wrong one. We're going to have this on the store shortly in the parts and accessories section, or the product section for the accessories, where the fill and seal is. $300 for a set of 5 blocks and this whole assembly here, if you want to upgrade the version 1s. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. If you have any problems figuring out how to change those, just give us a call and we'll give you a hand. Thanks.